Since Bitcoin was created, our world has changed and is on its way to becoming more decentralized than ever, and we now have a plethora of cryptocurrencies trying to follow in Bitcoin's footsteps. The concept of Bitcoin and the new technology behind it, blockchain technology, has given way to new markets to invest in and new opportunities to create decentralized finances and decentralized apps. It has also been the basis of NFTs and many more. But have you ever sat back and wondered how Bitcoins are created in the first place? And can you make Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency? Well, the short answer is yes. Hey guys, and welcome to Crypto Genie's Crash Course, and in today's video, we will explain everything you need to know about mining, the process of creating Bitcoins. So without further ado, let's get right into it. What is mining? As mentioned earlier, mining is a process that generates new coins of some cryptocurrencies, and mainly Bitcoin. Mining is also used to verify transactions that are being made on the blockchain. This process requires several networks of specialized computers that are usually spread across the globe. Their main job is to verify every transaction and secure the blockchain, which is technically a public ledger in which all transactions of cryptocurrencies are stored. As a reward for the ones who are providing this processing power, the users receive in exchange new coins. So the miners who are using power, time, and effort make sure that the blockchain is maintained and secured, and the blockchain would in return reward them with coins. Mining is one way you can get your hands on some cryptocurrencies or Bitcoin without purchasing it or receiving it from anybody. When Bitcoin first started, any decent PC at home was powerful enough to mine Bitcoin because at the time, the blockchain and the data within it storing every transaction wasn't too large. But after more than a decade after the first Bitcoin's transactions, the blockchain grew, and it grew a lot. This is why the computational power that is needed to mine is large. In only 10 years after the mining of the first Bitcoins, the computing power needed to mine a single Bitcoin has increased 12 trillion times. So technically at this moment, mining is now only done by specialized companies or a group of people who can put their resources together to be able to afford such large computational power. How does mining work? In order to verify and record every transaction made on the blockchain, the computers perform calculations and ensure the security of the blockchain. Mining is technically running a large database center. The ones who want to start mining Bitcoin need to purchase the hardware and pay the large electricity bills that would keep the computers running. In order to have such an investment, a profitable one, the earned coins from mining need to be higher than the cost of mining them. Now, how do these calculations work, and how are the rewards given? Well, all of the computers functioning on the network are in fact racing to guess what is known as a hash, which is a 64-digit hexadecimal number that would secure and verify the transaction made. As fast as a miner's computer is in making the guess, the more likely the user would earn the reward. Not everyone on the network gets a reward for every transaction. The one who does adds the verified block with the new transactions on the blockchain and is then rewarded with the minted coins. This process happens once every 10 minutes, approximately when it comes to Bitcoin. In 2020, the reward was 6.25 Bitcoins, but it gets reduced by half every 4 years. And since the number of Bitcoins is limited to 21 million Bitcoins, the mining reward will keep decreasing until there are no longer any more Bitcoin left to mine. Once we reach that limit, miners will be able to charge fees for every transaction made instead of getting new Bitcoins. How can you start mining? If you are considering starting mining, you first need to have a wallet, in which all of your newly mined coins will be stored. From your wallet, you can receive the coins, store them, or transfer them. You then need to have mining software, and there are several that you can download for free and can run on both MacBooks and Windows. The software, however, needs specific equipment to function, which is mostly the largest cost you have to invest in. The computer that would be able to run mining software should be extremely powerful and may have a cost of up to $1,000 or more. Risks of mining. As in every investment, and specifically in cryptocurrency, the risks mainly involve their volatility. You need to be aware that you'd be able to earn more than the cost you put in. You should also know that governments might decide to outlaw mining, as China did in 2021. So now that you know all about mining, do you ever think you'd be able to participate and become a miner? Let us know in the comments down below if you believe mining is more profitable than simply purchasing coins. Don't forget to like this video and hit that subscribe button to never miss similar content such as this one. See you soon.